Now you can be miles away from your favorite bar and still enjoy your favorite beer. Younger's Tartan Special, because now it comes in cans. Younger's Tartan Special Ale comes in cans. So take that tartan magic with you wherever you go.